to the podcast. And I am right here, Music City Trader, and I'm right here with my friend Todd the Taki to the Todd the Trader. I don't know. I need to make up your name, Todd the Trader, and the Traitor. Like,
I just
like.
lost that. Dang it!
All right.
I lost. Okay, that's okay.
What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Welcome into the podcast. And what is that goofy microphone you're using? Are you not in your studio right now?
No, I'm not.
I'm recording a podcast, like high quality audio, and you're sitting there with a stupid headset mic on.
Oh, bro, I didn't know.
You didn't know we were going to do a podcast?
Okay, well, I need to know my second trade.
210. Okay, so anyway, welcome to the podcast, y'all. And if Todd sounds like a little fanny pack, from 1980, that's because he's wearing a 1980 fanny pack. And I am going to roll the opening show, and we're getting right into a 7-deep circle Martingale on a Saturday night trading session. He's on his second trade, 210. And for some reason, whenever you wear that stupid headset, I have this whatever you call this, echo. I have an echo. All right. So what in the living null shit is that, bro?
I don't know, but I thought it was going down for sure.
Okay. All right.
And obviously it ain't. But
I better get some serious. I better get serious.
Help me out here.
Okay.
Okay. So third trade. What's my third trade?
441. Yeah, I better help you because you're gonna suck this up really bad. You're gonna suck this.
Well, you're just playing games here. What?
But I'm not playing games. I'm trying to do a podcast. I'm trying to be cool.
Okay.
And you're
okay. Let's figure out a win here. I want to get back in the game.
Okay. Well, don't make stupid trades like that without asking me.
That wasn't a stupid trade. I won the first one, lost these two. Okay, so let's go to a better chart. I'm gonna.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna look around. I'm gonna look around for you, bro.
On NZD, this looks like it could turn, but I don't know.
Okay. On NZD. Well, let's get a feel for what it is, and let's not get it too crazy. We ask people to make some comments tonight if they want to. Odd NZD, huh? Odd NZD. What do you think about that? Odd NZD. What are you making? Like minute trades, 2-minute trades, 30-second trades?
I'm doing like minute trades. That's not even a 92% payout anymore, so I'm off of it.
It isn't?
Not anymore. Just flipped. Okay, look at OddCAD real quick. Right now, look, it's kind of at a level right now.
Yeah, you could put that for a minute or two if you think it's gonna flip back down. Yeah. Did you do it too? Yeah, 441. My thought process there. Oh crap! It wasn't really hitting. It didn't really hit the. I'm looking at 30 seconds. No, I'm looking at a minute. Okay, there it finally hit.
That's where I should double it up.
Yeah, you can't double it up. Don't do anything.
But it just hit. It just now hit.
Yeah, it just hit there.
But it's a 2-minute trade, so.
Okay, you're fine then. Yeah,
and I'm only a minute and 30 seconds in, so.
Okay, there is no doubling up. You have 7 chances.
Yeah, you don't get to double up. I know.
And I wouldn't take my third chance. I mean, you could take your third trade there, or your 1, 2, 3. You could take your fourth trade there, but I would be careful taking 2 trades on one position. That's how I usually lose.
I'm not doing that. I'm not.
All right. Well, we're trying a new thing. Todd likes to Martingale. He's been dreaming about it for months and years. As we've, you might win that, bro. There's your line. Okay. I think you probably should have waited till it hit that line. I thought it was gonna hit that first line that it hit and be fine, but man, it didn't, did it?
No.
We'll look and see where you're at.
And I'm hoping it's not gonna go back up, but.
I'm
hoping it just tanks from here. We'll see.
That was an RSI touch in the 32nd though. When I saw it, it was touching right about where you. Well, no, you know what? When I saw it, it was probably prematurely touching. It probably wasn't touching right when I saw it. But where is it? It's down there. Your line is
Okay, here it
down.
goes. Here it goes. Now it's starting to tank, but it's like it's just
Yeah,
touching my line and going back.
that's not good.
No, this is going to be another loss already.
Second, 5 second, maybe. Yeah, because you got it right on that line. Yeah, if you had waited till it really touched. I guess if we're gonna do RSI touches, wait till they really touch.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Well,
your next
crap.
trade is 945.
Let's find something good here.
Okay. Oh, 945. I mean, that chart's not. Oh my gosh, dude! Look at Euro USD OTC. Holy crap. Euro USD OTC. I'm gonna go to one. I'm gonna go to. Oh, that was in 10 seconds. All right. Euro USD is about a 1 minute RSI. Not yet. Don't jump anything
do
yet.
you think I should take a call on this or a put?
Yeah, I was thinking a call, but you want to wait till it hits the bottom. I mean,
It's already kind of retracting.
yeah, but I guess it is. But I'm looking for the 1 minute RSI touch at this point.
Would you go for a 1 or 2 minute trade?
Down here, I'd wait till it got lower and go for like a 1 or 2. Yeah, like
1 or 2,
yeah. See
which
how
one?
it's going back down. If you're on a 1 minute candle, if you're waiting for the 1 minute RSI, you probably do like 2 minutes.
Okay. Well,
It hasn't touched though. It looks like it.
I'm gonna trust you on that. It hasn't touched and it's already kind of pulling back. So
Yeah, just be just be careful.
It touched at the first level.
Yeah, it kind of touched at the first level, but right now there's another couple levels. There's another step underneath this, and
I see that. Yeah.
it wasn't really touching yet. So I mean, I think what's going to happen is could pull down again and get some real momentum and touch this. See, like it's doing right
there
now.
It's going. Yeah.
If it gets down to like that next level, like level number, like right a little bit lower than that, but if it touches, I just wait for the RSI to touch and take a 2 minute call. Right now it's still wanting to go down and it hasn't touched yet.
Right.
I'm
looking at the 1 minute and
I am too. It's looking like it's breaking. Like right here's where I'd take a 2 minute call if I was going to touch. If I was going to do it. Yeah, right now. Yeah, because it's pretty much touching there. I'd take 2 minutes. Yeah.
I took 2 minutes. Yeah.
Because I mean, if it's gonna have a problem, it's gonna have it right there. If not, then you're gonna lose.
As long as it don't break, I mean.
Yeah, it's hitting that line, bouncing kind of hard off that line.
It's kind of struggling there.
You got 2 minutes in there. Okay, a minute and a half. Okay, so it's still just hitting the bottom of those wicks right there. Oh, that's not good. That is not good.
Nope.
That's not good. 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. It's still early enough to definitely pull back, but it kind of broke that lower level.
I'm looking at it now in 10 seconds, and it is starting to go back up. But
yeah, like you could. This one's an either way trade right now. Like it could totally go back up from here. In my opinion, what do you got here? A minute. Okay, yeah, it's going back up.
A minute, and I got 6 candles left in the 10-second there.
Okay, and it's kind of bouncing, dude. It wicked out really hard on the bottom. That's actually a really good sign that it wicked up. Because that means it went down there, but then it pushed all the way back up there, like it's gonna turn around. There it goes.
Okay, now I'm in the money. Okay.
Ha ha ha, baby. I want to hit that win button, man. I want to hit that win button. How many candles you got left? You got 33 candles left in the 10 seconds.
Just tank back down.
Okay, hold on. 3 candles in the 10-second. You're right on the line. Dang, come on.
Yeah, they're going back down now.
20 seconds. 2 candles left.
Dang it. Okay. Yep. This is going to be another freaking loss.
That was a big... Let me think about this. Even if you had waited till like
down there, I still would have lost.
Yeah, even if you had waited till it just son of a gun. All right, you're at 1955 or 95. I can't see what I wrote. 1995. Oh, you're at 1995.
All right, we're going to get a win. I'm not worried about it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row. That's not that bad.
No. I don't know these RSI touches though. This kind of scares me. Do you want to? I don't know that I would take any more trades on this, but it is at a massive level. But it like right where it is now, I still feel like it's been going down so hard that I think it's going to turn around. But if it's one of those persistent downtrends, because it's a Saturday night and it's just like, or Friday night, and it's just really persistent and it just keeps going down. It's hard to read this because it didn't really go down and hit it and bounce.
Well, see, right now it's touching a whole new level.
Yeah, but look at Euro RUB did hit down, touched its line. It touched it, bounced right off. If we had done that one, you would have won it because it went down, touched it, boom, bounced right back up.
Yeah.
So crap. I mean, there is some RSI and USD CNH. It kind of touched it and bounced too. So I mean, I think you're okay. Euro USD, is that where you were?
I don't remember.
Oh, Euro USD might be an engulfing. Go to your Euro USD, dude. I think that Euro USD. That's where you were. Euro USD is where you were.
Yeah.
It might be like you might be able to take a minute trade up from here because it's kind of engulfing and going back up.
1 minute?
Well, it's hitting another line. It's hitting that top line. But I think it might, if.
I don't know, it's going back down.
It's like consolidating right here, but if it gets down to the bottom of that green candle, you could take a 1 minute call. Because I think, it's right now down there.
I don't know, man.
I mean, it's up to you. If you think it's going to consolidate and go up, because it's fighting to go up. But then again, it could be going back down.
Look at it in 10 seconds.
It's probably that's what I mean. It has a
There's a line down there, like like right. It's about to touch it again.
Yeah, like if you hit it there.
But it's hanging so low. It's going down so much that it could break down again from there.
Yeah, it could break down again.
This one
I'm not sure. It doesn't really have. It's not. I mean, it's kind of blown because it's. If you look at the RSI
that level, and it's either going to blow that or it's going to obey it. I mean,
blowing it. The RSI is so low. It's so on the line. I mean, you could, if you really think you could take a 1 or 2 minute put when next time it kind of wicks up. I mean, that's what I would do here.
But I feel like in that.
But in 10 seconds it could just bounce back up from there.
Yeah, because it's hitting this line of crap right here. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of breaking through a whole nother level.
This 1 minute right here. See, if anything, that's a massive candle. I don't know what that's going to do. They could just, they could just go down forever, or they could.
Good thing you didn't call it, thinking it was going to go back up like I was telling you to do.
Yeah.
Because this is a pretty persistent downtrend.
Yeah, I think that.
I would get off. I would maybe, in terms of this. This is too big picture. This is a big picture that we don't know what's going to happen. I mean, it's at a pretty good level right now, but like I said, it just bounced all over that level. It never. I don't know how to tell you what's going to happen with that one. Other than it's at the bottom of a.
What about this American Express right here?
Other than you could take like a 5 minute call or like a 2 or 3 minute call from down here, because if you look at the 5.
What are you on?
I'm still on Euro USD. It's hitting this sort of layer in the 5 minute where it's kind of looks like it's at the very bottom of like a bouncing channel. So I mean, if you took like a 5 minute call now, but you're not.
That's been going down for a lot longer than 5 minutes. You think I could take a 5 minute call right here?
Yeah, I think it's at the bottom of. It's at the bottom of its 5 minute.
Take it right now?
Yeah, if you're going to take it now.
There we go, 5 minutes. Let's see what happens.
Because it's at the bottom of, if you look at my screen here, I'll share my screen. I'll show you why you did that. Look at this. Oh, no, that's the wrong. Okay.
Wait, we got some comments from somebody. Waveland. Hey, how you doing? There's a chance you might lose. The uptrend is pretty strong. Wait 2 candlesticks. I'd take a put in a few minutes.
Look at this. Look at what you did. This is the 5 minute. It hit right there.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. It went all the way down.
In the 5 minute channel, that is a great call. Yes. Yeah, and look at it, dude. There's my screen. I'm already in the money.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Like, I looked at the 5 minute and thought, well, that's actually. I mean, look at that, dude. That's almost like a.
That is a textbook channel trade there.
Yeah. So I mean,
Well, it did the same thing a while back. Look, it tanked, went up, tanked, went up.
yeah, yeah. I mean, I think you're gonna win this one. I hope. Um, in the
Was
1 minute.
okay? Is that a 5 minute channel?
That's your 1 minute. Yeah, this was a 5 minute channel right here, right there.
Yeah.
That's a long uptrend. That's a big pullback, but I don't think it's gonna go lower. I guess it could. It could, but all the signals are kind of mixed on pocket option, but I don't trust them anyway.
Okay, look at my screen. Look at my screen, so you can
Let's
just
see.
see my line.
Let's see. How do I share your screen?
Well, I've already shared it there, so
Hold it there.
you gotta look at
Okay.
that. So that's the 5 minute candles.
Oh yeah, it's and then I think it's kind of stopped down there, but when you look at 5 minute candles, they don't move very much. I'm gonna go back to the 30 seconds and see what it's doing.
Yeah, they don't move a whole lot.
Oh yeah, 30 seconds look good. They look like they're just bouncing.
Yeah, I'm kind of weighing the money on the 30 seconds as long as they keep going up a little bit.
You have 2 minutes left. You're at the very bottom of that. Yeah, I know where you're at. So, and then what are you going to do if you win this one? Then you're going to start back over with $1?
Well, it gives me my profit on my dollar. So.
And then what? You're going to take
So I'm kind
$1.
of up. So I'm up like $2 and some change for the
Okay,
day,
you're
I
right. You're
guess.
up two trades.
But
You will be.
in this 30 seconds, it's going back down. It's not looking real good for me there. But
Yeah, but it's gonna hit that bottom channel again. Probably bounce back up.
well, I'm hoping so.
Yeah, I mean it's got like at the 1 minute it's hit like a consolidation point right there, and it's heading back up. It's kind of scary, dude. That's a scary trade, I guess.
Yeah, I'm out of the money now. Now I'm back in. Now I'm out.
Would we have comments?
Yeah, but
Oh wow. This guy Waveland. Let's see what Waveland's saying. There's a chance you might lose the upturn. That was a while ago. Wait 2 candles. I'd take a put in a few minutes. The trend is still strong. Look at 10 second, 10:31 and 5. Put charts in the jump and call. The trend is still strong. Look at 10. Euro USD will start uptrending in about 5 minutes. Is that the one we're on? Well, I hope he's right.
I am hoping this doesn't. Yeah, because look at it now. It's like right on the bottom of that. Now it's starting to break down. I hope it goes back up. I hope it doesn't break down. I really hope, because I got 1 minute left. I'm looking at 30 seconds and I'm out of the money, but
Well, Waveland said Euro USD is going to start uptrending in about 5 minutes.
well, I don't have 5 minutes. I've got 45
Well,
seconds.
he said that 48. He said that like 2 or 3 minutes ago.
Okay, well, let's hope then that it does. If this
You're
goes
tight.
up,
This is tight right here.
yeah, this is scary, bro.
This is tight.
Come on.
30 seconds. It's obviously at the bottom of the line. Hold on, my
Yeah.
dog. I need to get my dog. I'll be right back. I need to get my dog.
Okay.
All right. I saw you lost that like very, very, very narrowly, didn't you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. I got two more
All right.
more possibilities here.
42. Go to $42. Yeah, that broke the channel, dude. Sorry about that.
Well, I was in the money for a while. It was just too long of a trade.
Yeah. I'm almost tempted to tell you to take like a 20-minute, like a 10-minute on the bottom here.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's going to go up or what.
I think it's going up, dude.
But now it's only a 90% payout.
Your payouts are different than mine. Mine still says 92.
You're in a
But
different time zone. I wonder if that has something to do with it.
yeah, probably does.
Okay, let's look at OddCAD. What's this doing?
Man, I don't know. Yeah, that could just go. I mean, I feel like it's going to go down, but it could go up. I mean, I'm not great at the long game. I think I should stick with 1 minute and 30 second. 30-second candles or 1 minute candles. Because
What are you on here?
I don't know. I'm
seconds?
still on that chart that you're on.
I'm jumping charts. Okay, look at CHF JPY right now. Look at that. That's kind of hitting a. It's at a line and it's an RSI touch.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is. I mean, you could put it for 2 minutes.
Well, but I don't know. It looks like a strong uptrend.
That's an RSI touch right there. Yeah, I mean, it's got a little bit more ways to go. It's going to hit a hard line when it rises. It's pretty much, dude. Yeah, if you took a 2 minute, I mean, if you think
it might break, but I don't know.
I don't know, that was like a textbook RSI touch right there.
Yeah, but look at its history. It's broken RSI quite a few times.
Yeah, it's been climbing for a while. It's been like jumping down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It touched the RSI, jump back down there. Hey, Waveland, we're only going 92%. That we never trade below 92%. And the lowest payout, you're on a live account. Yeah, we're on. Yeah, unfortunately, we are too. Yeah, that would have been a win, dude. You should have nailed that
I take
one.
a lot of 5 second trades as well. I trade in 5 seconds a lot. I haven't tonight. Maybe I should have.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. I might
Now
go.
look at CHF JPY. Look
I
at
might
this.
take a call here, dude, because it's.
Yeah,
I mean,
I might take a 2 minute call here, but I'm
yeah,
not
when it
sure.
gets down there,
I'm not sure though, dude.
it's in a channel. It's at the bottom of a channel, and I mean, it is going up. I mean, if you're gonna do it, you need to do it before that happens.
Do it right now or what?
Well, no. It at the bottom of that red candle, that previous red candle.
Yeah.
Or here, yeah, you missed it, but yeah, that was the right idea. You should have when you saw it hit the bottom of that channel, you should have taken a 1 or 2 minute call. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, because now it might retrace. I mean, overall,
Now it's going back down. Look at the 10 second.
yeah, if it gets down to the bottom of that channel and breaks it, it could break it.
Would you take a 1 or 2 minute call?
I would take a like a 2 minute probably.
But I don't know if it's gonna break it. It might just go down.
Yeah, watch it in the 10 seconds because it might break it, dude. Yeah, it's showing signs of wanting to go back down. But a minute ago, I would give it a 2 minute call from down here. I'd just wait and get a really good position. See if it jumps down there. Like,
if it breaks that, I'm worried that it's just gonna go down. I'm on a $42 call, so $42.
yeah. Well, you just have to do it. I mean, you just have to find
The problem is
one you believe in.
I don't know the time frame. I think is too long. 2 minutes might be too long.
Yeah, it might be. You just want to, but you get a good position, do a 1 minute, you're probably fine down here.
I think I'm gonna take a call here soon.
Well, when it gets back down there, or
it's too late now. Yeah.
or if you think because you would have won it if you would have taken it at the bottom of that channel. Now you might have to wait for it to go back down to that channel again. It's at a really hard line right now. In the 1 minute, I mean, if it breaks above here, it's gonna go, but it might not, dude. It might just keep going back down. See, it hit this level twice, went way down. I think it's gonna break up. I think if it goes back down near that channel, I would call it for like 2, 3, 4 minutes.
Look at the RSI, dude. The RSI has been going back and forth.
Yeah, well, yeah, the RSI is kind of in the middle, but.
You think it's going to hit and go back up again, or do you think it's going to hit and go down? It could go either way. See, now it could break downward.
Yeah, it's kind of getting smaller. It's getting smaller, and it is breaking down, but it's rejecting. It's hard to know. I mean, I would only be guessing.
Well, this is all a guess.
I would wait till it gets back down to the bottom of that channel somewhere, and then take like a 1 or 2 minute call. Those are big upper high wicks, though. Still, from right here, I don't know. I'm nervous about this one in one.
Well, if I look at 1 minute, dude, that doesn't look like anything I'd ever take a trade in
No, that's
because
what I'm saying. I'm nervous
it's
about
just
it in one
moving
minute.
sideways.
It's kind of going sideways and it's got big wicks on it. Yeah, I'd be nervous about the 1 minute scenario. I mean, the 10 seconds looks pretty promising, but it could just tank from here.
See, look at like Euro GBP, dude. That's just moving sideways.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I know. That is.
Okay,
But we were looking
now
at
Euro
CHFJPY is going
Euro
sideways too.
RUB is in the 1 minute going down.
CHFJPY I still think is.
What do you think of this Euro RUB?
I think it's a big downtrend. I mean, it's sitting down there now, but like it's hard to know about that one because it's kind of bouncing downward.
It's had a lot of pullbacks.
Yeah, it's just got pullbacks and it's bouncing downwards. It's
What about USD RUB? What do you think of this? This looks like it might go up one more candle, maybe.
it's got a bunch of wicks all over it. Yeah, I mean, I might call this from here just being crazy because it's kind of going up, but I just don't know. Like that one's got so many. Huh?
I'm looking at 10 seconds now, and it's just all over the place.
Yeah, it's kind of all over the place. I mean, that one's CHFJPY is still squeezing. It just hit the bottom of that channel again and bounced off again. I mean, that would have been. Well, no, now it's wanting to go down. I think CHFJPY, dude, is about to break the bottom of that channel and start going down because it keeps hitting it and wanting to go.
Are you looking at 10 seconds or what?
I'm looking at 1 minute 30 and 10, and it just looks like it's trying to break up, but it can't. It's kind of at the top of its life. I mean, I would almost take like a 1 minute put from here, 1 or 2 minutes. Well, it isn't an RSI touch, but I just feel like it's wanting to go back down. It's been going up, but it's at a real hard line. If you look at it,
well, if you look at the RSI, dude, it hovers in the middle.
Yeah, but I'm saying it's going up to this level. If you look, okay, I'm going to show you my screen. Look at that level. That's 1 minute candles. It's kind of like in this thing. It's about to break down at the bottom, down this channel. I think that in the 1 minute, I think it's going to break the bottom of that channel soon. So if it goes back up to the top up there and doesn't look like it's got some like major up force, I'd put it for like 2 minutes or something. Once it gets back
look
up.
Look at the 10 seconds. Look on my screen. It might be about to break that whole line right here.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I think it's going.
Would you take a 1 or 2 minute? What would you take?
Well, when it breaks here, I'd take like 1 minute. You know, like
right
if you
now,
think.
Do you think?
Well, I would wait till it goes back up, but now it's breaking down. It has broken the channel.
Okay, the RSI is about to touch.
The RSI is going to touch, but in the 1 minute, it's not. Yeah, if you're going to put it, I'd put it for like. I'd be careful because it's at the bottom of a giant candle, but if you think it's going to keep going, which I think that now that it's broken it, it might retrace for a minute, so I might take like a 1 or 2 minute put.
I don't know. Now it's going back up.
Yeah, but now's when I would put it. I'd wait till it jumps up, and then I'd put it because we know it's going down. I mean, you know it's breaking down. I'd wait till I got a good position, and then I would have put it up there. See, now you were right. It broke that channel, dude, and it's like tanking. Dang it. Yeah, I would.
I don't know that it's going to go all the way down to the RSI. Like this might be as far as it goes down.
Well, yeah, if you think it's an uptrend, but it was in an uptrend for a long time, but then all of a sudden, like look at the 1 minute, like look, it followed that bottom channel all the way up there, squeezed tight, and then pushed down. So I mean, it's probably going down. Waveland put $1 in the money. CHFJPY. Oh, he took a call. See, you're right though. I mean, it might touch RSI right down here, and then hit that level. Hit a level right here. It's hitting this level now. It's hitting that level.
I'm looking at the RSI historically. It just kind of goes to that middle level and then goes back up.
Yeah. Yeah, we were right about the squeeze. I think we were right about the squeeze, dude. The level up there was key. Now it hit that level. It hit that RSI, And anything, if I was going to do anything now, I'd call it for a minute. I know it's crazy, but that's,
I'm kind of with you, but
I mean, because now it hit that bottom and it's bouncing
all right,
back
you
up. And
ready? 3, 2, 1, enter.
that's the next candle color, right?
That's what it was. We're
Can
gonna.
I see your stochastic real fast, guys? Let's see here. Let me see here. Let me throw. You mean the? Yeah, hold on here. 14, 3, and 3 is what it is.
All right, now it's tanking.
Stochastic. My stochastic is 14, 3, 3.
This is not good.
No, let me see. He said, "Call it. Call it now." You could call it. Where's your screen? Let's see. Is this your screen? This is terrible. Yeah, call it now, dude. That's what I would do. I just
Hold on.
15 seconds. Oh gosh, what are you looking at? 10 seconds? Oh, you might win. You got one more candle. Oh no.
Oh dang.
You just got into a box, dude. That's freaking.
Oh
That's
gosh, dude, that's freaking terrible. Why
Right, you're on a,
can't I'm on a 6 trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah, you're on $88 trade. And what I would do right now is call it for 5 minutes.
From down here.
Yeah, because it's going to go back up. It's trying to go back up to that level. It's
All right,
hit
I'm gonna
there.
hit it right now.
All right, go. If you're going to do it before it starts climbing. I mean,
We're in, dude. Well, we're gonna see what happens.
well, that's good because you're kind of in the middle of this box, but I noticed you guys see a setup and debate on it. Yeah, we lost, dude. We would have won a couple as we were debating, and we knew it was going down, and we just kind of debated on it. We're debating on it. I would confidently just in or win it or lost. Yeah, it's more about like levels. Like I'm like thinking like if it gets up there, I'd put it, and then he's like, well, but now it's going up. I'm like, yeah, but I'm thinking it's gonna hit that line and go down. We're just looking at it in different ways. We kind of trade differently. Sort of the same, but differently. But my dog got up and now he's just in here laying here. This is struggling, dude. But it's 5 minutes, so.
Yeah. I don't know why we can't get a freaking win. I mean, really?
Well, I hope you win this one, because if not, you are freaking screwed.
You think?
Yeah, let me look. I'm going to see if we can watch your screen. Okay, yeah, I'm going to watch your screen. It's not a bad position that you got there, I don't think. I don't know.
I don't know. It was your advice, but I went with it. I'm okay with it. I trust it.
Yeah, I mean, because I think it's going to go back up to that line. It might. You got 3 minutes, so it's fine.
Well,
Because
it's hitting a white line, and if you notice, it's always gone back up. It's always rejected off this white line.
yeah, so that's what I'm saying. It might hit this line and then just start going up because I think it wants to go back up to that, all those wicks up there. I mean, I think it's going to end way up there. I think it's going to end way up by the wicks. That's what I think in the next couple minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of consolidating.
Well, look
but
at
like,
that, dude. It's like breaking it, and it might just push hard up there.
It depends on, I guess, long term where it thinks it's going. Because if you get a couple more green candles here, you could be at the top. But that's what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to head back up to the top. That's what I was thinking from down there. I was like, for sure, and that's what Waveland was saying. Call it. He was saying call it from way down here.
Well, now that's not looking good because it's going to end well below there, but it's still rejecting off that line for right now. But okay, it dojied out as a green candle. That's kind of a good sign, actually.
That's what I'm saying, dude. I think it's definitely heading up. I don't know how much time you have. 2 minutes. It's definitely kind of heading up. Your position could have been a little better, but I mean, it's still. To me, okay. Yeah, it's kind of all over the map in terms of like candle wicks and everything else all over the map here. But honestly, you need this win. Like honestly, you really do need this win.
I really need this win. Yeah.
You got 3 candles left. 10 seconds. Where are you? You're just right. What candles are you in? 1 minute? I'm going to try to draw my line where I think you are. You're right about in the money, right? It's right there.
It's real close.
That's
There it goes, into the money. Boom.
Okay, that's your money line right there.
Now, if this will end over that, that'll be good, because then it might start climbing up from here.
See, it's got a lot of up pressure, and that's what you might win this, because it might just all of a sudden in the next minute or 30 seconds, it's just going to shoot up there. That's kind of what I think. I mean, although it is sort of in this weird...
It's struggling right there at the line, and I don't know if it'll just get a big burst of energy and go up, because we're into the final minute here.
52 seconds. If the stochastic
okay,
touches
right.
the
Well,
red, you're good. Well, there you are.
Now
There
we're
you go.
looking good. Okay. If this will close out way above there.
Oh, it just gapped up. Oh, you do.
Yeah.
Do it.
Bro, that's awesome.
The stochastic crossed. The stochastic crossed what? What are you saying? The stochastic cross. Look at that. Dude, I told you. I told you, dude. I told you. That is going to end way back up there where here. I told you what I thought it was going to do. It was going to end way up here where I had my lines drawn. I really thought it was going to go way up there, and end way up there. But we are in the final little push here, and this is a red candle, and you've only got 5 seconds. Oh, did you win this?
2, 1, boom!
Boom.
Okay. Okay, I'm at 369, dude. So I actually, see, that's the thing. I'm in the profit for the day after all those friggin' losses.
Well, what did you start with?
$1.
No, I mean, what amount did you start with?
Hold on, I'll tell you exactly. Hold on. 367.62.
Okay. Well, yeah, I mean, and look, dude, I freaking told you. It ended right where I told you it was going to do.
Okay,
When it was
where's
down there.
this going from here?
I think it's gonna break up here. I think you could take a $1 trade on a call, like a 1 minute call from here. That's what I would do if I were you, because it's shown that it's shown that it's going.
Well, we're gonna go for it. We're just gonna try it. And I'm in the money already.
Yeah, and Waveland said the same thing. I'd place another call because it broke over that line. It's tried to break that line multiple times, and it did break it now, and it's heading up to the RSI touch.
I agree.
I mean, you got a $1 trade here, and then you're going to be $3 into the money. So technically, you only have, what's your goal today, like $10 or something?
Yeah, but I need to. Now, this actually should have been a $2 trade.
Yeah, you could take a $2 trade now when this ends. If it does, even do the next candle color on the 1 minute kind of thing if you wanted to.
I'm thinking about it, but
because I mean, even if it pulls back, because it's fine if it pulls back. Like right now, I would wait till it wins. Of course, wait till it wins. If it
wins.
Oh man. Oh, that's not good.
Oh, how did that? What
well,
was
it's back on the line. I mean, if you want to take another 1 minute call from here, then you could, or a 30-second call even. But I mean, it's to me, this chart's kind of, I don't know. It could just keep going back down.
I don't want to get back into the rigmarole here, but
yeah, okay. So you need to take like
let's
a what?
Find let's a $2.10 trade. It's not a big deal, but I want to find a better.
I would say that chart is just kind of.
What is this crap? Look at Euro CHF. What is that? Dude, what the heck is that all about? Where's that going?
I don't know. I think it's going to break up and go up, but it's consolidating. It's rising and consolidating.
That is a massive consolidation.
I just don't understand it. They look blocky. They got a lot of big candles, a lot of.
I just don't know where this crap is going. It's all hitting lines, but it ain't really obeying per se.
Yeah, I mean, you could. Well, I guess you don't want to go to 5 minutes, do you?
No, I mean not necessarily, but
I don't see any major, oh my gosh, look at this one. I don't see that right now, but
no, I don't. I haven't seen that all night.
No, that was dangerous too. I mean, we've almost got your butt kicked.
I almost lost a massive trade, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, look at. I gotta see this in 10 seconds so I can see the bigger picture of what this is doing. But these charts ain't helping me. I mean,
Yeah, I don't mean you could probably just quit tonight, dude. I mean, you're already up.
Holy crap.
Oh wait, go to Euro NZD in the 30 in the Euro NZD. Euro NZD looks like it is obeying this top line, and it just is touching. Um, let's see. I would, I could, I could see, I could see calling or putting this one at this point.
Wait, what, Euro
Euro-
NZD?
Yeah, I could see calling or putting it.
Okay, well, that's helpful. That's real helpful. Because,
Lay down. Yeah, I mean, it's going back down. It was up and it's going back down.
I almost think this is a 1 minute put, like,
Yeah,
next
that's what I
candle
mean.
color.
You could probably put it on this next candle. And that's what you're going to have to do tonight. You're going to have to, or it's going to hit there and go back up. It's going to consolidate upward.
We're gonna take the chance. I mean, it's peeing in the wind, dude. I don't know.
Yeah, well, but you have 7 chances, and that's what I mean. You can't. I mean, we were getting kind of dangerous there, but at this point, you're going to have to just start making trades. And and if you lose, just make another one. And you may lose, make another until you win, and then keep. You just kind of have to make trades. Okay, CAD CHF is probably a put. You could probably put this at any time, and it's probably going to win.
For how long?
A minute or 30 seconds. Just wait till it jumps back up. I'm in the 1 minute. It's about to hit an RSI. It's blown through the RSI. I mean, as long as you get a good position, if you just wait for a wick, you can probably put it,
Just for 1 minute?
Yeah, or 30 seconds. Either way.
Okay, well, the RSI is touching. So do you think it's going to go back up, or do you think it's going to?
No, I think it's going to go down because the 30-second RSI is blown. I think if you get it when it retracts, I'd do like a 1 minute put from here. I mean, not from the bottom of that candle, but like wait till it retracts a little bit. Wait till it goes up a little bit.
I'm already in it.
Oh, okay. So you gotta on the way I would trade, you just gotta get a good position. It is gonna go down, I think, but
Well,
you just gotta.
If it's gonna break it, it's gonna do it in the next minute.
Yeah, it's gonna keep going down, dude. It's gonna go. See, it's been tanking down for a while. I mean, it was a pretty good uptrend, but let's see, 30S30. Yeah,
Okay.
there it goes.
I'm gonna watch this in 10 seconds. Okay, it's at this line, but I think it's gonna break down now. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
So you might want to put your 192 trade in and take it too. Just trend surf this sucker down. It already had its pullback, so you could probably do another put anytime for like 30 seconds whenever you get a good little drawback. Oh, okay, good. You did it. Okay. Yeah. Hope you win that one. Then I don't know that I would take another trade because you just ruin your profit. But if you win this, you're having your first double win, right?
My first compound, yeah.
Okay, that was decent because it was a minute. It was a minute. It was decent. It's kind of waking out, but it's kind of pulling back here and there.
10 seconds. I like 10 seconds because I can see.
Yeah, you can see the real pattern of the pull down.
See what's actually going on. And I think this is just going to be a quick pullback with 1 or 2 candles. Like it's been doing that. There
Yeah.
it is. It's already back in the money.
Just pull back and then it's going to head back down.
Yeah, that's what I think it's going to do.
Is that 10-second candles you're
This
looking
is
at?
10 seconds, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably going to go back down at least to that bottom green wick down there. I think it's tending to want to go down. I mean, this chart is totally going down. If you lose this,
Oh,
I'll be
crap.
completely done.
Oh, dang it.
Did it lose like
Son
by
of
a
gun.
hair?
Yeah, by a freaking hair.
So now what do you have to do? Because you won a 1. That was a 192.
Go back to 210.
Okay, 210. And now it's going up. But I still think this chart.
I'm tempted to take a 5-second call.
Yeah, it could. Yeah, I think it's gonna have an up push here. I mean, you could, dude. You're good at 5-second trades. You would have won it too.
Hold on.
Yeah. Did you do it? Oh, thank God you did it down there. I was like, that's where you need to do it.
Yep, and I did it, and I won it.
Yeah. Now I think it's going to break this bottom wick and go back down. So you could do a 30-second put down here probably. Don't you think? Yeah. I'm looking at 30 seconds. You could probably put this down here for a minute or 30 seconds because it's going
Or
again.
5 and be done.
Did you do it?
Yeah, that was a 5-second win. Done. Okay, so there we go. We got some profit. All right, now I want to go back to $1. I'm just going to keep it at that. Go back to $1.
Okay, yeah, 68, 69, 71, 70. You're up $4 for tonight.
Really?
Well, you started at 368. You're at 372, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you're up.
Oh, there we go. Another dollar win. Bam. In
Okay,
5
you're up
seconds.
70, 368, 378. You don't need that much more. You only need $5 more.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do 5-second trades, dude. You're good at them. You're winning them.
Well, so far, okay, 1, 2, 3. I've had 3 wins in a row in 5 seconds. One
Yeah.
minute, I almost lost my whole surplus. So
Yeah, I'd say you better just do some 5-second trades, and I'll keep you on the math. Don't do them real fast, but just find some good ones. Don't hit the button.
I'm not. I'm trying to be strategic. I mean, I could still lose, but I'm just kind of watching for the right moment. But I don't know if this is going to launch back up there or just tank. I don't know.
Oh, I think this is probably gonna just hit a line. It's hitting a line in the 1 minute way far back there. I'll tell you if I think it's gonna go up. If it breaks that white line, it's probably gonna go up. But it looks like it's going
I
back
think
down.
this is going to go. This might go back down here.
Oh yeah, it's getting down towards the level though. But it's
Yeah.
got some. Yeah,
It's got a lot of pressure though. So.
it got a lot of pressure, dude. You're on a dollar trade now.
I'm on a 192 trade. This is a compound.
Oh, okay. Well, just wait for a little pullback and.
Or I could just go.
That's
back
going
to,
down, dude. Yeah, I think this
I
is
could
gonna go
just
down.
go back to $1 and.
No, just do your compound, because then you'll have.
But I think it's going to go up now. For a second, it might pull back. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of watching. I don't want to just.
In general, I think this is going down from here. It's
is.
at a line. It's going down. It's going to get some pressure. If it's going to do it, it's going to do it soon. Right now, it's deciding. I'm looking at 30 seconds. It's deciding right now.
Well, see if I'm doing 5-second trades, so.
That's fine. I'm telling you that it's going down now. It broke another line, and it's going down from here. At least when I say going down, I mean probably the next candle. So you got 30 seconds. You're talking 2 or 3 candles of. Because I'm looking at 30 seconds. So just remember that. If I say I think it's going down, that means I think it's probably going down overall with this next 30-second candle. It's got some contention now. It's hitting some levels back there that are kind of contentious. It's kind of in one of those, a really contentious level. It could get really rocky right now, which might actually be good for you because it might go up and down.
Yeah, that's kind of what it's doing.
Yeah, it's going to be rocky because it's going through way back there like an hour ago. It went through a bunch of up and downs right here. It's like at a major, major contentious point right here.
Yeah, I'm seeing that happen in 10 seconds here. It's kind of going back and forth. And
yeah, I don't know that it's going to break through this contention, to be honest.
Yep, it did. Well, in 10 seconds it did.
Yeah, it isn't broken all the way through it. It's heading down, but it's still in the contention zone. But yeah, if you're saying it's, yeah. See, I do think it's going to keep breaking down. It's breaking through this
The
contentious.
problem with what I'm doing is that right now, the reason I haven't entered anything is because I have nothing to compare to. It's just a.
Look at what I'm looking at. I'm looking 30 seconds, and that's where that candle is right there. But if I scroll back, watch what I've drawn. Look at that. This part right here, it's in this zone right now, and it's just bouncing around in there. So I think this right here, this zone is very contentious.
I've got no levels to compare anything to for.
Oh, right, because it's been going down so long.
I need to see when it hits a level, like when I think it might drop down or something. Like, yeah. Okay, in CHFJPY right now, it's giving me something to work with, sort of. Because it's like it's either going to break right now. It's sort of right now, sort of hitting some levels.
Oh
It's
yeah,
either
it's
it's
hitting a
either,
big level right here.
and I think
Yeah,
it's
big
gonna
time.
I think it's gonna go up ultimately.
Probably. Because the RSI in 30 seconds is in the middle and it's just heading up. So yeah, it's probably gonna. You might get a big burst of candles going up here in within the next 30 seconds.
As of right now, it's going down.
It's fighting down, but I think if it starts going up, it's probably gonna go shooting up. So you could probably win a call once it starts doing it. Right now, it's still wanting to go back down.
Yeah, that's what
Dude,
I'm saying.
I mean, maybe people will look back at us and they'll say these guys are morons. They
Okay,
don't know what they're
now
doing.
there is
Okay,
like a
now, yeah,
little.
you're probably gonna get a. Yep, there you go. You're gonna get a
Okay, now
boost.
watch this. Now the next one's gonna dip,
Yeah, go
and
for
I'm
it.
gonna take it, and then it's gonna go up, and it's a win.
Yes, baby.
Boom.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, 375.
That's how you.
689,
That's how you
792.
trade 5 seconds, bro.
Yeah, you're up. You're up $7.
I'm gonna go for the next one. 369. I'm gonna go for it.
You're up $7 right now.
Okay. Let's go for the. Let's go for the win. What's this gonna do? Is it gonna go up another level? Let's see. Okay, it looks like it could.
It's fighting. It's fighting, and it could flip around.
I could call it, but I think
Yeah.
it might just go down. It might
It
come crashing
right
down.
now it's at the line where it broke through, so it may bounce back up, but it could just freaking tank.
Right.
But yeah, if it shoots down, you could call it. But I'd wait for like a boost of energy, because it's like right now it's on the
Yeah.
line where
See, the way you win 5 second trades is when you see that it's just broken a level and you think it's gonna jump through it a few times. Like what you just saw me do.
yeah, right now
Okay,
yeah,
so
it's
now it's
blowing.
hitting the bottom of a level, and it could go back up for a little bit.
I think
It's either gonna blow through this. Look back. Okay, look back at the background. I can't see the time frame, but see those 3 red candles, a big long red candle, then 3 little ones
yeah.
way back. You see that?
I'm in 30 seconds, dude.
Look at my screen,
Okay.
the one I've shared with you. See
Okay.
those 3 candles?
Yeah. Oh yeah, and then the big green one. Yeah,
No,
it's
there's a
getting ready to go.
big red one, then 3 little ones, then it goes 2 green ones.
Dude, it's about to shoot up. It's about to shoot up. Be careful. It's about to shoot up here. You might get
Okay.
your win. I think if it dips back down, I would call it. Yeah. It's down there.
Go for it. See what happens here.
Yes, I think you
Let's
got it.
see.
You freaking got it, dude.
There we go. 378.22.
You're done.
Really?
You're $10 in the money.
Dang, nice. Okay.
That's it.
Dude, I should have never fooled around with 1 minute trades.
Yeah, you about had a disaster, bro.
Okay. What was that total? I'm going to update my chart. 370 what?
378.22 is what you're at.
Okay.
That was
Oh,
that was
44
pretty.
cents. 44 cents profit.
What are you talking about?
Profit. I mean, surplus.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say. Yeah,
So,
dude. I think if you're slow with the 10 seconds, if you do all of it, because I think usually you just think it's going up and it's going down, it's going up. I wouldn't do that. But if you're slow
well,
and you look for those real
tonight,
key
dude,
points,
did you see how many 1 minute trades I lost?
oh yeah,
And how many
it's
10
terrible.
second or 5 second trades I won?
I'm not sure you lost any 5 second trades.
I don't know that I did, dude.
I don't think you did, dude. I think you won them all.
I mean, I hate to say it, bro, but I'm kind of, but I'm real good at,
Well, you're good at it. I can see how you could be good at it, but I'm still better at longer trades. But then again, tonight, I mean, even the ones I said this is going to happen, it didn't happen.
right.
I don't know. Sometimes, dude, you get these nights where it's like you just don't win.
And then I come in with the rescue of a 5 seconds. 378.22 is what I've got.
Yeah.
So next up, I'm on level 12.
All right, folks, that's going to be it for tonight on the podcast because I'm about to fall asleep. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go to our website. In the description of the videos, you can actually get some trading sheets. You can join our Join our club. I'm hungry, dude. I'm about ready to go down and eat some food, but I'm also tired. It's almost 2 o'clock where I'm at, and so we're gonna go out tonight, and we're probably just gonna take the weekend off while Todd builds his haunt.
Yeah.
And you know, we both won today. I won earlier, and you won today. So there it is. Big win. Here we go. We'll do a big win, and then we'll roll it out. Okay, you got any final words there, bro?
Um. Yeah. Stay vegan. No, I'm just
Stay
kidding.
vegan. Okay.